Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make breaded pork cutlets. This is pork cutlet, which is pork chop being removed bone. First, I pound the pork thin. This step to ensure the pork being cooked evenly. Next, I will season the pork with some salt and pepper. Make sure to season both sides. And now I'm leaving it for about 15 to 20 minutes to marinate. Now I'm gonna to breading the pork. Firstly, I stretch the pork in the flour. Then dip it in the beaten eggs. Finally, coat the pork with breadcrumbs. Next, I turn on the heat and I add some oil into the pan. Let's heat the oil. After heating up the oil, I will place the breaded pork cutlet into the pan. When the pork is crispy and golden brown, so you flip and pan fry the other side of the pork to make sure the both sides are crispy and golden brown. So when they are crispy and golden brown, I will take them out and place them on the plate. And the breaded pork cutlet is ready to eat. Let's enjoy!